See that?
Yeah man, big up Kino, always here freeing you. You know what I say, I'm praying you. From a distance, you know what I say, no resistance. Always I provide assistance. No, in short. Add up. No.
Yeah, artist.
The smartest.
Smart. Never tell a lie, look at that. Team one go.
Oh, la kusha, we say journeying, learning, earning, reserving, observing, absorbing, returning, urging, purging, preserving. Yeah, me I say I was spice always I do it nice and I don't know if you forward once you have a forward twice. No, I know kick.
No,
add up, no, for the world, you know.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
some pumpkin, you know. Stir fry now a bit, you see me? Eyeball style.
Eyeball style.
Yeah.
Miss the last part, but now I miss this one.
See it there.
Today is the only day I'm not going home and waiting for the pot. It could have finished 12 o'clock.
Steady waiting.
I am not leaving. You come here too many times I'm missing the boat. So this one now dock without I'm here. For sure.
No,
so this is the eyeball style pumpkin. I'm going to dice up.
Some stir fry, some ackee and string bean, you know.
Ackee and string bean. Stir fried.
Zucchini.
With what? Banana.
Some yellow yam, some cocoa, you see me, some dark plain, you see me.
Dark plain. Mr. Dark plain, you said that too as well to you.
Tactic, man, forward.
Dark plain is not no dumpling, it's dark plain. So right now, so that I'm gonna make my talk even more. You see, guys, look at the time now, and I'm still out here waiting for food. I got my smoothie here.
You know you're safe for the eyeball.
Safe when I'm here.
Yeah, man.
So
different environment from the outside.
Yes, my smoothie here is the best. I have to come here for it. My sister come here, but she miss it, you know. So this one. So we have some pumpkin. Some pumpkin here, guys. Red, you know, breadfruit, roasted already. Breadfruit on the ground there already. So this is where I'll be eating tonight. Fire red. So you're adding some string beans as well too.
Nice but you know. Don't have to cut off the head them off for them. Gone.
So this is gonna go in the haki.
Yeah man, stir fry.
Stir fry style. Stir fry.
Yeah,
Stir fry. Stir fry.
Aki and zucchini, you know.
And guys, yeah, the pumpkin season is back. It is back. And this one is this. Wait, that one missing.
Herbal and fruit juice.
You know, and the original man were done them, you know. Oh, because guys, so this, it is pure magnesium for the body. Very good for the body, man. Like this is very, very good for the body. Them say usually the Rasta man there, him always finish them. You know. They say him always finish them right now, so you have to come for them real early before him forward, because if him forward, trust me, before the night done, nothing no left. So I gone one already, so you know, so them two are now finished before me at all. Right now he's got problems. He definitely have problems. So healthy all the way, I'm getting some great feedback from this type of cooking. You know, the food's very good. The amount of
should, you know?
Yes. All of us subscribers say them come Jamaica, this is them place where them come eat without a doubt.
No joke, and it tastes up man, ready for them.
Yes man. Healthy life, you know, it's the way, it's the best way, you know.
Burger
And alright, burger for days. They say aye. Pushing out.
Yeah, out bro.
Alright, you know thing one. Guys, as I'm saying, I missed the last 3, 4, 5, 6 boat, you know, and this time I missed an early boat. I'm gonna miss that boat here. Yeah, I'm gonna clear what time at a dock. I'm gonna be here till I want the dock. So I'm not leaving at all. Trust me, the pot just a start and then the day till it finish. I'm not leave. Mad. Now go in. Mad. Mr. Early Spice. How would they have on the spice early, Raggedy? What was the early spice, my miss?
Oh, some callaloo, steam greens and some breadfruit and ripe plantain, you know?
Steaming
man over man.
And that's the best one I'm missing, the callaloo, you know.
Yes, you love callaloo?
Yeah, man. We all should love callaloo, you know.
But that's alright. That's something that's more sure.
Yeah.
Look at this. Alright, look on this. We have real Jamaican local almond.
So the local one is.
Yeah man, you see. So the local one.
From the almond tree itself.
From our local almond tree.
Almond tree. Okay, yeah.
The one where we sit down and bust out from your youth.
Yeah. From your youth, right?
Yeah man.
Said almond milk or not drink, I eat that come from.
No man, but
This is the Jamaican
this is
one.
the Jamaican one, you see what I'm saying?
Because I know most
This
of
is
them.
almond, you know. We're not
About almond.
Yeah, the other one are almond.
Yeah.
But this is almond.
Almond.
So
Our original one.
Jamaican talk.
So we eat it,
Yeah.
and then now we just crack it
Crack
after.
it and bust out it and get this. I will get out of it nuts. You know what I'm
This
saying?
is the most that you get. But this is a whole heap of work you put in to get so many dough.
Exactly, that's why we have to sell it to get expensive.
Yes.
So,
Come here, say
that's
that
a
bag
whole
them
heap of
from.
work. Yeah man, we have all from 100, all that we have. Just $100.
I forgot try, man. I forgot support you as well. Too.
Yeah man, that's amazing.
Because this work is a whole heap of work.
A
You get so
whole
much
heap
of
of
them
work.
see
We
there.
get someone trying to say how much work I've been put in. I mean working son. Chicken Roger. Now we don't eat meat. And so I've been working.
Yeah.
How we sound?
Of course.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, but I lie. It's a lot of work.
So when you support the thing, you have to see it.
Yes.
You support the thing, because you don't know the thing.
I have to give you that support, man, because I'm saying I've been putting out the work.
Yeah, man.
Trust me. But you have a them tree down in your yard, or you walk and hunt them?
Yeah, well, when fish farming in my community, there's a lot of tree.
Okay.
So I say, some more time the people them they say look out for me, them they see them up and they say, yo, come for them. And so I say,
so how you get these like these now? Where do you sun them and
yeah man, you dry them. Yeah man.
And patch them.
So when me have normally do me have all my animal them like all rabbit and so. And drop off and just let the animal them eat off all the shell, the flesh off of them.
Yeah.
And normally you can peel off that and juice it, you know, a good juice that.
Yeah, true.
But through them when normally drop on them thing, them I don't make them go to waste.
Okay.
We just give the animal them and the animal them just eat off the flesh them and left back the part where it's easier for crack away.
Yes,
so so no waste in our life, you know, so I say
nothing at all, no waste, nothing at all.
Nothing up on all the coconut, we don't build things out of them, man.
Cause I say I would make like a cup.
No waste in life, son.
Let me see the cup. With the same coconut shell.
A coconut make out of it, man, see it, man.
But the one where have the shell and it's
man,
steam.
See that, show him over
beside the steam of this, sir?
Which one?
To the left,
this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that, yes.
Yeah, man.
So this one is the classic. So this one, guys, as you can see, there's nothing no come off of it. It still have the shell and it's here, the coconut, the trash part. You know, it's still on top of it. This is what I bought. You must carve it out.
What is it? No.
And the pepper you buck up on, man. There's a pepper inside it, the bird pepper. I eat a bite. Yes, guys, look at this. Look how skilled Ivo is. Just look at this.
Man, I only for skill there, man.
Yeah, man, talented. Man, that's.
The big one, you have to fight things, man. The big one is no funny.
Ivo talented, man. So you have a string bean, then you have one cut up, guys.
Yeah, fully active, you know. Get them nice and straight.
Greens, you know, more greens. Greens, you know, say greens good for the system. You know, it goes already.
You know what papaya and say?
Alright, the spinach.
Beat the spinach. So both of speak on top. One thumb post like spinach there. Not long both us.
Yeah, man.
Both us big and thick. So to show you from where you would.
Green is always vital. Yeah, always vital. So guys, so this is what it looks like in the night inside Ivo Spice yard. You know, you see it still come like it's deep bright sunlight, same way, the same vibration, nothing no change. You know, the same energy, nothing no change. So it come like so we never miss any sunlight. We never miss any sunlight, so it seems like it's still there. Right through. Look at the trees them. Bright, the skies. Yes, nice.
Must be because of the two-piece with the kick flips like Bruce Lee. Nah, no chain, no jewelry. Amazed by the love when me spread and she like me because of my energy. So in a belly when me send it 2 weeks with the raggy day. Vibe up now, spend a couple G's. High speed where we in the Jeep. High key, she buy everything. Now if you spend calm, me got no cheese. Pockets deep but they got nothing. She rate the G, so me out for win. Living the life of a simple king. Well, them not here. Shaggedy, well raggedy. Keen of life. Who not here well?
Well raggedy.
I was Spice in the portal, you know.
Yes.
That's the real deal.
The real deal. I was Spice in the portal. Guys, so here's the almond seed. So how you get them brown like this?
No, man, I natural color.
Natural color.
Yeah, man, I natural almond color.
Oh, okay.
Them one better pay now.
better pay.
Them money and the better.
Better, right?
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, the real thing, them, man.
Anything?
Anything growing at the island, or you grow, or across there, they give you a stronger nutrients than something foreign.
Yes, true. Because it's natural, right?
Yeah, man, it's a reason why things grow around here, man. Fresher too. Yeah. Fresher too.
Yeah.
All of them things you see are growing around, it's a purpose. If you use them, everything on purpose, man.
You cannot misuse them, you have to use them.
Yeah, you have to use everything, them. I see it.
I have the right thing, man, now use them, you know? All the smoothie here. Love it.
So by compress the air.
What is a wooden spoon?
Yeah, man. These are made from Jamaican National Board. That's the Blue Mao.
Which board is this one?
This one is the Blue Mao.
Blue Mao.
Oh, Ben, we have almonds. How much for them? How much
From 100 up to that's enough for 5 days.
5 bills?
Yeah.
It's nice, you know.
I know.
Really nice.
This is real almonds.
Yeah.
That's the real thing.
Sea almonds.
So,
Full of minerals.
so call them almond or almond. Which one is it?
No, I tell us
almond.
It's an almond. But we call our one almond. We not 50 up nothing. Almond.
I don't know. Some
Is
people
it?
say the L silent.
Yeah.
Some people say almonds. I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
think it matters.
So basically it's the same thing. The film one look bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Less nutrients.
So it's less nutrient.
Not everything that is big.
Yes. It's effective. Yeah. Sometimes the smaller the package or the bigger the effective, you know?
So that one say, look what the talawa.
Little but Itala. Just like here in Jamaica, little but Itala. And this now, this is nice. As I say, if Dee was here, the Empress, I tell you, when she been looking these wooden spoon, I know she like to go, you know, in the wilderness and cook.
She's a big cook.
Yeah.
See that?
She love to cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, she really love to cook. So this is a fork.
Come on, not tell the fork.
And this cannot break, right? No.
Yeah, no man, thing can break, man. We are say all iron broke and them thing there. Yeah, so,
You know, right there.
yeah, I'm Superman. You see it to see every day.
Hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I know what they're saying, man. But all Superman we see every day.
Yeah.
All kryptonite get him down. Ain't it?
That's true.
Yeah,
Everything have the weakness, right?
Everything of them weakness, son. So you can't say it won't break.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, man, but it will last long.
So are you
If are
design
good.
this? Are you
Yeah,
design
man,
them?
we design and handcarve it. It's handcarved.
Wow.
Handmade.
Our Jamaicans, the fellow brothers, them is very talented, you know. So much talent, you know.
Sit up here, man. I want to see the
Chopstick.
No, man,
chopstick. Two side. I want to see the two
no,
side.
yeah, no star.
Look at glimpse.
That's a glimpse.
Hey, let's get a little sneak preview.
So how long will it take you to make this?
No, man, well, a lot of work still. You see me, say, you have to get the board and carve it. It's a lot of work, man.
It's a lot of work for you.
So a lot of work, man.
And these are the...
No, there's something, no, like the chopsticks them gone still, but I just one chopstick there.
So we
make chopsticks, we make everything. We make butter knife, chopsticks, everything. Butter knife. Yeah,
This is the knife, right? The butter knife.
Yeah, man, but that's true.
Instead of the fork where you eat with.
The fork where you eat with, they can put it up as decoration and anything.
Yeah. And these are nice to decorate in your kitchen.
Yeah, man, you can use them as decoration and anything, man. Anything you can use them. You see all this African one here?
Yeah. The spoon.
Yeah, man. Are you like a knife?
Let me see the knife. Where's the knife? Wow.
Oh, this one is like a decoration and you can still use it in a pot.
Yeah.
If you did there, you should have buy that one. No.
This one too.
Not true. I want the hard.
A lot of odds. And your work is not easy though. You know, this
it's
takes a
not
lot of
easy.
time.
Yeah, man. I
And
got big candle, incense holder.
Okay, yes. The incense holder.
The big one. Them.
How much you sell this one for?
This one? You can give me a $2 world.
Okay. So everything is reasonable. When I leave it, may I give a contact number if anyone watching and them like what them seeing and they want to get something, you know. Then give them a contact. You have any contact number? Then can reach you.
My contact. I don't know on Instagram and all them things. So you can listen.
So you
Ben
can
White.
give it a shout out. What is it?
Ben White.
Ben White.
Yeah, man.
So give the correct spelling for the Ben White on Instagram.
BenWhyte.
Ben White. So once they go there, so you don't have a business number, right?
No, I don't have my number 856.
So
9007. 856-9007.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I can just check here at Herbal Spice.
Yes.
Because they're always here.
Always here.
Yeah, they're always here. Just check Herbal Spice.
Yes.
You see what I'm saying? They're always here. Herbal's family.
Of course. Yo,
It's family.
listen, I'm forward here. I'm
Yeah, man.
energy
It's my
get.
daddy, man. I
Yes.
ain't lying. It's my father.
Yes. I have a lot of kids.
It's my daddy, man. I'm not lying. I swear that.
A lot of kids.
It's my father.
I know, Kino, you just become the new child in the family, you know?
Yeah, man. I mean, man.
With all the knowledge,
I will take care of him. I ain't lying, son.
you not tell her, man.
I will take care of all of them.
He's the father, man.
Lot of sons.
A lot of sons and daughters.
Son and daughter. I will take care of all of them.
A lot of sons and daughters, your eyebrow, man, I lie. You know, because anywhere health is concerned.
No, I lie, man. No, afraid to
That's
tell
why
you.
you're very talented, you know? You're very, very talented.
So I'm always going to get help and I'm always going to strive. Always going to strive, son.
Empress thing of smoothie.
Are you my smoothie?
Boy, she's the queen of smoothie, man. This and I lie though, you know, I always taste the same.
Top chef too.
No, that's the thing is, you know, sometimes you make something good and next time you don't make it good. But with the smoothie I'm getting so far, it is the same taste. Like everything is just the same.
Okay.
The percentage not drop.
It's important when you're doing things to
Just
do
keep
it.
up the standard. Never
But
drop it. It's
do it with heart. Do it because do it like you want to do it or like you would do it for yourself.
Yes, true. So with like
When
this,
you do it with good intention, it always come out good.
I'm telling you. This best. I'm not even lying. I drink a lot of smoothie around the place.
Yeah.
But this one, I don't know what going on in this.
Can't stop drinking.
Yeah. Every time I come here, I need my smoothie, man, for sure.
I remember.
I need my smoothie for sure. There's no joke about it. I remember now, I know I'm never get a chance to taste the food. I'm saying nothing already yet. You know, just for the workers and now in the yard. So the ship always miss me. But the smoothie is food. Right? The smoothie is food.
Them spicing some zucchini.
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 So you might get, I think it's stir fry. Probably
Yeah,
stir fry.
right. It's a stir fry.
Okay.
What's zucchini?
Zucchini is like a squash.
Just take it up around like a seed like this.
Zucchini is a squash, right? I think?
Seed right here, man.
Oh, that one, the green one, right?
Yeah, it looks like cucumber. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is it. Yeah, cause now I will see for sure. Yeah, this one.
Remember, we use it like you can make a spaghetti, you know, that.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, that. Same as the cucumber. Yeah.
So how you get that with spaghetti? Way to fry it?
No, man, we have a machine to shred it.
Oh, you shred it.
Yeah, bring it to like a squash. Then stir fry. Wonderful, man. We don't miss the flour one. So them things that show you say, flour. You don't have to use flour really to make these things. You see me?
Yeah.
Then use a vegetable and
So how you learn all of these skills? Way to born with it? You just have it inside you.
anything you do more than one time. Alright. Them say you have to put in 1,000 hours. Anything you put in 1,000 hours, it must become a master. You see me?
Okay.
So you have to put in 1,000 hours in anything we are doing. You see? Can't play. Can't expect somebody to put it in for you.
That is true.
You have to put in it. Once you put in it, 1,000 hours, master you become.
Master you become.
Teacher will start teach. So when I do it one time and then you have to continue.
The master it, right?
Yeah.
And you can move on to something else.
Right. And then it itself will start opening other doors here. By teacher, you know. To go by teacher.
Because Mr. speak to the Empress earlier and I said the smoothie, like it always tastes the same.
Yeah.
It not drop. You know, sometimes you buy something, it tastes good this time. And when you go back next time, it is a different way, right? But with hers, like I know it not drop. It's just the same balance.
One thing get back up, man, with all the strawberry them start come up and open a bloom out and them things.
Yeah.
When that start happen, yeah.
You say that bloom out in Chad?
No man, some people come and town with it.
So you get that definitely just to do that. Yeah. Instead of your blow. Yeah. That's what they call it. You don't have fun and spread all of that and it can get ready. Yeah. Just so they can dry out fast. That's really water. And then juice the pot with some. People say that this man is a genius.
Yeah, I live to the time, you know that.
Yeah,
you know. Time at the time, you know.
I see.
Seventeen eyebrow. So here we have the okra and the pumpkin well diced up. The queen, the powers, man. Zucchini.
Just get him in a man and kick in a man.
No joke. No.
Things set up, you know.
No joke.
I kill your heights, you know.
See there?
Yeah, man, big up Kino, always here free, you know. You know what I mean? I say I'm praying, you know. My distance, you know what I mean? I say no resistance. Always I provide assistance. No, in short. Add up. No.
You're artist?
The smartest.
Smart.
Give them something. I want link, man, because we don't go on in a family. Don't know. Brahma, they want them Delgado, the whole of the implement, man.
Okay.
When they are out of the place, they are in the place. When they are in the place, they are out of the place. But, you know, one link and strong link, man, it have a high neck, you know. And no accident, no acting, no go on, yeah, so.
Nothing at all.
Everything just up full. Oh, la kusha, we say journeying, learning, earning, reserving, observing, absorbing, returning, urging, purging, preserving. Yeah, me I say I was spice always I do it nice and I don't know if you forward once you have a forward twice. No, I know kiki.
No,
add up, no, to the world, you know. I kill your eye.
Yo, talented bad man, I lie, you know.
Powers and strength, man.
Powers and strength, man. Naturally, everything just a flow.
Yes, sir.
Fire, you know, it's a flow, seeing the powers.
Yeah, man, I say big up the whole Trench Town, you know, man. You don't know, you know, man. Yeah, man, and a landslide now, you know, one side of the whole works, you don't know.
Sure.
Over Gully side, and over across the building, you don't know everything still a flowing at heights. You know what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, them way there. You see?
Right,
We
yes.
say up full in a key, we like what they are doing, and I want to we praying you doing your thing. So I say, whole heap of ones viewing your thing. I say, no boy can ruin your thing.
Nah.
Yeah, man, I hear the pioneer OC Adopt said that. You see me? In short.
In
Don't know.
short, Jaja.
I yes,
I was surprised to come here once. Yes, man. Well, Adobe. You come here, I was surprised once, ever come here twice, you know. But they can't stop coming at all, and I lie. Surprise. Journey. I will see why the energy in the yard is different vibration. I need a amok in the yard here. So I come out and leave here. Yeah.
Make light, I can see that.
I but what kind of liquid in our emotion?
Herbal and beetroot pine and guava.
You will beat pine guava segment. One of them there, side. Really sweet, man.
See the music out on YouTube.
You know, said that sound where I it's a while ago journeying. Yeah, it's a project where in a motion right now. The eyesight. Yeah, man, it's a combustion records production. The eyesight, and it features the likes of Nige Boy. Even though I look like Dr. Lover, move like a Dr. Yeti Madwan, you know, and I like the thing on the rhythm.
Okay.
So we have to height the sound, you see the power stay.
Yes.
I are tearing us, so we're not too kicky, and we're not too pretty, you know, we just height the sound of the height.
Sure.
You know what I mean? I say, cause more time when you hold back, you have to get hold back if you hold back.
Yes.
More time you have to just free water away, you know what I mean? I say, yeah man, so other than that we have turbulence, same way upon the rhythm to same way. You know what I say? I'm like Gandhi. You don't know if they know if I'm like Jafrican. I'm do some fest last year.
African.
Yeah, man.
African.
So once they upon the thing where have them thing are going out in the street. So once them can go out, they go stream it, man. Be relevant album it name.
Tell them what
Be relevant album it on our digital platform. And you don't know. Higher tier sound is journeying. You don't know, and that a track 6 to it fix. No, not the eloquence. The eyesight. So the one them just check it, man, cause it's a project where no beep out now for go on. Grandmother can dead and a little toddler can dead and now if you cover up no ears and go on with no beep out. You know what I mean? I say? Yeah, man, a family music.
Clean.
See it? Clean. Right? So I just a power and a strength, man.
Yes, sir.
Once them just go out, they go stream it, you know?
Yes, sir.
As them say, Be Relevant album. That's the name of it, and as them say, combustion record production. It's up Johnny C in a far out. You don't know the producer that origin from school days, and I'm maiden project. So you don't know the prospects side, we not see no limit in it, you know?
Yes.
So we just a full dance it to the heights of heights. It's like powers and strength.
No end.
No ending, man. A fullness you are there with, you know.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, go through that. Yes, man. Wait to the spice. String bean.
in the setting. That's why the eye iron just magnetizes the paint.
Yes, true.
And the same eye quench where the iron project and the same eye that we have flow.
In the plate. Yes, yes.
Here is the atmosphere that
It's a flow.
yeah, man, one time the eye that's around so the eye elements forward in our one. Just like cover your eyes and breathe through them. And then and there a while ago, just like a summer breeze.
Yeah, right, true, yes.
One go, man.
One go on, yeah, so man, love the free term, so man, what happens, so it's actually there,
Yeah, man.
Literally, lie.
Straight to your eyes, straight to your eyes.
It's not too long yet. Coconut milk, I Bob.
Wait, put that one away up, George. Can I put it? What is that? Yeah, you know which one to do. No, I mean, no, remember they come on or something. What's up, sir? No, not the wrong father. Stop, sir.
Guys, that is coconut milk with okra and the ackee. Have you ever tasted anything delicious looking like that? Wow.
That's up to them. No, but you're... That, alright, see that one right up? See that one right up? That one? Yeah. Would have been the stronger one from here. That's the one. You're over Hispanic, man. Look here now. You see as soon as this smash up, they take out this.
Real spice.
That's our double.
Real spice, man. Add up.
Yeah, man.
That is the real spice.
Yeah, man. Real society, so I say. Nothing with born to the zone, You see me? Nothing we make noise and run up and down, nothing with sex. You know what I say? None of them sitting there in the flex, you see it? Everything I do from mama art, you know what I say? Yeah, man, with root and stem and vine, you know what I say? And blast all. They man blast some, Just blast all most of the time, man. No. Nothing where urinate, defecate, copulate. None of them sitting there. You know what I say, fire? Real, man. I and I good on a burial ground nor mark, I can't tell the one how to feed. I and I just eye challenge, fire, I'm play, Yeah, man. So, no offense to no ones where I do them thing or them I do them thing,
Yes, true.
Just I it from personal heights, you know what I say? And Congo trading is all about, being in tune with aeration, nature that is, you see what I say?
True.
And based on even what the storybook teach. The earth are the fullness,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we can't breach that. Because we sight up and see the full heights and know say, everything with root, shoot if we shoot, and I can feed up we need up and, strengthen up or if we strengthen up and, heights and for carry on the journey.
Yes, true.
Yeah, I say, within the trad, I say, we have to balance up, because just like how the device, you have to put it on the charger when,
Yeah, when it's run.
Yeah, and so you have to charge up forward your good side. Same way, so now, biologically, we are charged forward with good and them way there. So I say, yeah, man, alkaline.
Right, true.
And yeah, man, so I just a fullness, because it's a height enough to try it how we are trying it in a key,
Yes, true.
All the I and I are forward from mama kitchen, grandma kitchen, and we don't know how that go already. Everything we run and walk and make noise, we eat from them time in there. Without knowing or flowing or glowing, but over timing, knowledge. Yeah, man, over timing, knowledge we gone, cause if you can divert, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Acknowledge, adjust and add up.
Add up.
Yeah, I have a fire height, so you know, that was IQ there, your kid, man.
Yes,
It's truth.
It's the truth, you know.
Really,
There's no knowledge, is
just heights on top of heights, man. Life heights, you know. Yeah, I have no special group, no special troop, you know. So you possess living organism, and you know, yeah, man. You're connected to the universe. After you. Yeah, I have
so true.
Within a full heights.
Righteousness, man. Hey, add up.
No minus. No limiting it, you know, because we say add up is like a height of motivation to make the ones them know, say, yeah, you hear me? Just keep striving. You know what I say? Yeah. Keep learning, keep earning. Yeah, I work, you know, the journey is all about that. It's a itinerary one, you know, everything flow in a cycle, though.
Yes, true.
Check it like this. If you even have bills to pay, when you pay this amount, you now forward to your next month. So why you not to keep adding up? True. Yeah, I work. So meanwhile, you're adding up, you have to be adding up.
Yes,
true. In order to fulfill and balance if you balance. You know what I say? Yes. Firm up if you firm up and burn up if you burn up. No. I just like kill your heights. Yakin for yakin, you know?
Hi, about spice, where the spice is right. You come here once, you have to come here twice. Thrice. Never tell a lie, look at that. Never tell a lie, guys, never. Never tell a lie, one spice.
That can cover, you know?
Yeah.
That steam on everybody now. Lucky in the seasoning and everything.
Yes.
Let them not come out and go up into this.
So you go right up into the
Zucchini. So they come out. They are stirring like this now.
Okay. You see, that's a trick to it, you know. Because normally you have, me myself I would have probably a store. Right now we're not supposed to have store. You make the steam and go up in it.
Like a bubbling and then like a bubbling.
Yeah, like a bubble already.
So, see, you take them up now. Take them up in the zucchini. Same. And stir it back down in flavor, go back down in the zucchini. Take out the water or heat capture. Take it more liquid.
Stuck with this.
Yeah, when you finish now, go back with this. You come one.
Pure powers in that, man.
Yes, that you say, wow.
You can't sleep tonight when you eat this, man. There's too much pure energy.
Easy mix. You let them that mix together.
Wrapping.
What on?
See it there? Aye. Spice is life. See it there? First taste. I tell you, so I'm not gonna make this ship left me. This is the taste already.
I want to shop fast.
Yeah, this is nice, spice. Nice. Nice. Coconut milk tonight. I imagine I was this much taste, you know. Never taste that. So imagine when that. Nice, man. Nice. All this tastes so nice. That was string bean and pumpkin.
I'm getting out, my finger go out.
Oh, this tastes so nice. This tastes like when I want to eat more about that Ital. Right.
Well.
Team one go.
spice of the word you cook for, you know.
Always, man.
Word you cook for. Life you deal, you know.
The walk. Yeah, man.
Go watch the version movie already. What it is? Yeah, man. You go watch it already, sir.
Can't remember when to
like the water wet you. Like everything here, you kind of feel the motion. What's up, Caribbean to you?
Right now in the 30s generation, everybody are trying to pick a wise man.
Yeah, man. Good.
Guys, look at this. Look at the spice of life. Look at the spice of life.
Yeah, because I kind of risky for a girl to get pregnant. When she got over 30,
Spice
you know what I'm
of
saying?
life.
You see how them balance. You see how them balance like. Overall.
Yeah.
Replay that one.
No man,
That's a difference, you know, because it's like as the boy.
So my crown then, let me just say,
you're a crown, man.
just immerse yourself there. No, my crown.
Man, you stop the year. Every time it takes our conversation to the point.
If you're past 35, like that, you can just fix up this some and think about. But for men now, we don't really care about me. I talk to females then. And then past 35 is like them, I'm scared. I'm scared for our kids. Because they're saying, oh, what happened if my dead left my kid there? We're going to have an age, you know? It's a different thing.
That woman on 54 breed, brother. Wish we could have stayed for travel.
Because back then, when you see my grandmother have 7 pigs, 8 pigs.
I wish I could have stayed.
Yeah, but I'm for travel.
What am I saying?
A certain country has up with them.
Because guess what, you see right now in other hospitals,
No man, the world limit of people have so much. India, China, Berkeley, Delhi, but they like one.
Health status problem. Health status.
See there, all spice, all right. Really give thanks. Finally. Wow. Nice.
because no, like we do. The white one was it loves one side.
It's the spice of life, you know.
Syrup, you said. Steam as a man. No, I'm syrup device, but I'll tell you fire. Yo, nah, it's a bomba king of the time for the strengthen them thing. When once you say you're up full motion, they are heights and them can motion strengthen on them, so yeah. Transparency, I deal with. But if you say, we are $10, your man must say, yo, $10 can time say, you know, yo, I watch it and I say, yeah, man, as me say it, I go, you know?
Yes, sir. Transparency. Food bad. Bad. Guys, look at this. Well clean. Nothing no leave. You know? Look at that. And look how I tell myself I'm saving some to bring home. I couldn't even save nothing. None. Some tell us, yo, I was spice. You know, once, no joke. Really wonderful. The food is really nice. I'm not even lying. Nice. Pick up yourself, Ital Spice. Guys, as I said, is located at 131 Orange Street. Right, so it's gonna be open back soon because it's under construction. It's building up his place and everything. So within a couple of days time, it will be ready. You know, when it's ready, you're gonna see the official thing. You're gonna see some type of cooking where you never yet see before. You understand? So just stay tuned for that, guys. As I say, Ital Spice, where everything is right. You know, it's not open as yet because the place is under construction. So you know, when it's open, you're gonna see everything where the food is right. Everything is nice, you know, at Ital Spice. Once you come here and eat once, you have to come and eat twice, plus many more. Not tell lie, you understand? So trust me, guys. Remember, like before watching. And if you reach as far you haven't liked, please like the video. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have a contact number for him soon. You're gonna see a lot more cooking, a lot more different style of cooking. All the breadfruit bun for the burger. Trust me. So now I'm gonna have my herbal laid after that meal. See the herbal laid after all of that. You know what time is that? Empress, see there. All is well, everything is nice. Them say at Ital Spice, when you come here once and eat it get nice, you have to come back twice.
And we don't eat rice.
And we don't.
Ben, sing the song now.
We don't eat rice. So you have a song, Ben, right? Go, Ben.
Yeah, man, we have it, man. Lucky, no, man. So welcome to Ital Spice. How we going live?
Hey.
And we don't eat rice.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.